And then we're gonna replace the inspection plate with one of the air-cooled versions. So here's the new UB plate, and we supply the 6mm stainless hardware. And to get that, we use a 4mm Allen, and to remove the factory one, we're going to use a 10mm wrench. So that's that.
We're taking the high road. Lay beside me, wake the morning, ever after, day reborn in oh. We're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road. Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen, rest tomorrow, the ways unfolding. Oh, we're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song, we're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened, we're taking the high road. As long as it takes us, we're taking the high road.
Hey guys, I want to tell you about the promotion we're continuing in 2021, and that's giving away one of these ultimate beams to one of our subscribers who likes and comments on our videos. Once we hit 10K, we're at this number right here right now. Once we're at 10K, then we're going to randomly select a subscriber and make sure they've commented on one of the videos, and we're going to give it away for your Type 1 Beetle, Gia, Type 3 thing. That's what we're going to do, one of those bad boys right there. And you could be it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Now back to the film.